the blood of the Lamb.
I know that I'm not perfect, and I will never be, but you see it doesn't matter, my God still loves me. I can come to Jesus exactly as I am, because my sins are covered by the blood of the Lamb.
Covered by the blood, covered by the blood, they're all covered by the blood of the Lamb. There's no sin so big Jesus can't forgive, they're all covered by the blood of the Lamb.
Sometimes I may stumble, sometimes I may fall, but God is right here with me. He hears me when I call. He said that He would never, ever leave me.